Good evening, friends. As Lieutenant Commander Ilan the Millman has pointed out, and he has asked us to confess upon our PAQ, I'm going to do the same today. I'm going to confess upon my PAQ. We've seen 11D, that is, positions of responsibilities held. I have filled it like this: Chair of it as CQM in my 9th standard, Chair Arjun is Vice Captain in my 11th standard, and finally, School Environment Captain in 12th standard. As you all know, the appointment of School Environment Captain does not hold greater significance in school's administration. That's actually true. Having started my appointmentship with CQM post in 9th standard and then moving on to House Vice Captain in 11th standard, but I have ended up holding the post of Environment Captain rather than going for Senior House Captain or Vice Captain. I even confessed the same to the interviewing officer in my previous SSB because I was taken off guard. He started pressurizing me with so many questions, and when he came to this section, I openly confessed that the reason for not opting for Senior House captaincy. Today I'm going to share the same reason for not having opted for Senior House captaincy. The reason was I thought 12th standard is very important in my life, so I need to concentrate more on my academics rather than spending my time on the house administration. That is what made me to not to opt for house captaincy. So this openly says that I lack initiative. Factor 3, social effectiveness. So I would accept that in my 12th standard I lacked initiative, and my chosen path did not lead to me to greater success because when I attended my NDSSB way back in January 2016 when I was in 12th standard, I ended up being screened out. So after that, after getting screened out only, I realized I have missed many things in my school life. Many things. Because opportunities were everywhere available in our school. But the one who uses it to the perfection gains it. You all would know from my batch, 2016 batch, our senior officer Manish. At present he is in his final term in IMA. He's going to be commissioned in the Indian Army after his POP. He was a new 9th standard, but he utilized everything in the school. He took everything to his advantage and he utilized every opportunity that was available to him. He already went for NCC, he attended RDC, and then he went for OEP. Then he was among the first from our batch to be recommended in SSB. Actually, during his batch, in our batch, 2 were recommended on the same day. My Manish and Ramnathan. Ramnathan was academic captain during that time. And the third recommendation was Rishwant Vel. He was Chola Senior's captain. So it openly displays the one who takes initiative lands up in greater heights. And the two in defense, the social effectiveness factor, the important point in social effectiveness, that is taking initiative, matters a lot. So from there on I learned a lesson. I should not run away from my responsibilities. I should hold some sense of responsibility and take initiative in every aspect, and I should use every opportunities that are available to me to the fullest and gain from that. Thank you. Good night.